So I'm in these MBA classes, and they're talking about AI and about how like all these industries are revolutionizing with AI. Turns out nobody's actually making a return on either their AI investments because it's so expensive to do. And I try to tell like the people in my classes, I was like, I work in concrete, and you'd be amazed at all of the data that is available for concrete. How many different mix designs does a ready mix company have? What's the book look like? Is it 3,000 designs in that book?
I mean, it's because you got to think it could be the same mix design for just like different customers,
different rock sources, different sand sources, different cement sources.
Any variable that changes, like it's a new mix design. So if you change, like just like you said, if you change for rock, like even from probably 67 to 57,
yep, or volume or the amount of rock,
it literally doesn't matter. You change absolutely anything in that formula,
it's got a new
boom,
code.
It's got a new code. So that's how you end up with 25. That's probably putting it lightly. 25, 3,000 psi, residential mixes.